Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can clear cache and some files on CapCut, so there won't be like a lot of files on it. So click on the CapCut app, and for instance you want to just delete some files, press edit and select the files you want to select the files you want to delete and press the trash button and press delete. If you want to clear the cache, go and press settings on the top right corner and go and press clear cache. Don't worry, clearing cache won't delete your drafts, and press OK and it'll clear it until it's 0 megabytes. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!